If you have ever wondered what does marshmallow root tastes like or if it's potent, you could try it for a start to get the results for yourself. And while some people aren't cut out for bitter tasting recipes, some others don't mind. But do marshmallow roots taste sweet or sour? We are about to find out. What is marshmallow root? Popularly known as the marshmallow plant, the perennial herb is famous as a homemade therapy that serves many uses. It can be found in moist areas, preferably riverbanks, sandy soils, and salt marshes. The flowers and the root of the plant both serve edible uses. But it is the roots we will be focusing on in this video. The roots contain high amounts of starch with an equal percentage of mucilage and pectin, making it a highly nutritious meal. But there are other ways the byproducts from the roots could be put to use. You can find out more about how to apply marshmallow roots in your standard therapy if that's what you need. Uses of marshmallow root. There are many ways you can put the root of the plant to good use, either as an addition to your diet or as part of a homemade medicinal treatment. On the next slide are some of the benefits of the marshmallow plant. Helps in wound treatment. The use of marshmallow root has become popular in treating open wounds to help speed up the healing process. In addition, it helps with killing bacteria, which will undoubtedly prevent the spread of infection. This makes it a better choice than other topical or herbal options for wound treatment. Soothe skin irritation. You can also apply it to the skin with essential oils to help with reversing the effect of skin inflammation and irritation. Although it is often thought to be safe for use as sunscreen, it cannot provide SPF protection. So you stand a risk of exposure to UV radiation without the use of sunscreens. Cough relief. The mucilage extracts from the root are capable of providing relief along the esophagus. And this makes it a common ingredient in many herbal cough mixes. But most potent preparations add other ingredients like chamomile and other natural oils for a cough to make them more powerful. So you want to be sure to get the preparation right if you intend to make it at home. Relieve dry mouth. People who suffer from dry mouth due to low saliva production can benefit from the mucilage extracts contained in the marshmallow roots. There are tablets available that contain the ingredient that could offer an easy remedy for dry mouth. You can also find herbal teas with marshmallow roots in a tea bag you can easily prepare in minutes. What does marshmallow root taste like? Just like every herbal preparation, you can expect marshmallow root to have a weird taste to it. But the fact is that it is not something that is difficult to swallow. You will have to find easier ways to make the drink more appealing to you. While it isn't sweet tasting like many oral preparations, it has a slightly appealing earthy taste. Although the regular marshmallow is milder to the taste, you will have to brace yourself when taking the preparation regularly. Brewing it in a tea or using lozenges fused with other ingredients could improve the taste and smell of the drink. How to make marshmallow root tea at home. It is possible to get your fresh supply of marshmallow root tea right from your kitchen. You want to make available the proper requirements and follow the correct preparation step. You can find on the next slides of the simple guide to get it right on the first try. Marshmallow tea ingredients. 1 tablespoonful of marshmallow roots. 1 teaspoon of peppermint leaf. 1 cup of lukewarm water. Pint-size mason jar. Preparation. With all the ingredients assembled, you want to bring the marshmallow and together in the mason jar. Please put on the lid and shake gently until you are sure it mixes properly. Next, store it in the refrigerator overnight so the roots could blend appropriately into the mix. After a few hours, it should be potent enough to drink. Strain the tea out of the mason jar to remove any residues. You can drink cool or heat up slightly if you want added heat effect. Final note. Marshmallow roots have many health benefits for the body. It aids in digestion and helps in the treatment of many skin conditions. But you want to be careful using it directly on the skin. So it is advised to carry out a spot test on a small part of the body before applying it thoroughly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.